Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Acid Gel. First, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed to prepare your skin. Then, apply a small, pea-sized amount of the gel onto your damp face and neck. Gently massage it into your skin using upward motions until it is fully absorbed. This helps the hyaluronic acid draw moisture into your skin effectively, leaving it feeling refreshed and hydrated. To maximize the benefits, incorporate this gel into your routine twice daily, both morning and night. After applying the hyaluronic acid, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to effectively seal in all that wonderful hydration. It also works beautifully as a primer, creating a smooth, plump canvas for your makeup, helping it glide on flawlessly and last longer throughout the day. For best results in product longevity, store your Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Acid Gel in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. If you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to perform a small patch test first to ensure no irritation occurs. Remember to avoid direct contact with your eyes, and if it accidentally gets in, rinse thoroughly with water immediately. For an extra boost, try mixing a few drops of the gel with your liquid foundation. This creates a beautiful, dewy finish that keeps your skin looking radiant all day. Don't forget to extend the benefits to your neck and décolletage for comprehensive hydration. And speaking of hydration, remember to stay well hydrated throughout your day. For a fantastic way to do that, check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. It's a simple step for overall wellness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.